Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Happy holidays to you all. Today I'm going to show you how to make your sorrel drink. But I am using some dry sorrel, as you can see. And on the bag it marked 100% natural. So I am going to show you how to draw this sorrel drink. And this sorrel drink, it is stronger than the fresh sorrel. Let me introduce you to my ingredients. Alrighty, so I'm using some dry orange peel. And what I do, I peel the orange, I wash the orange, peel it, and then I put this in the sun to dry. And I'm using cinnamon stick and pimento berries. Pimento berries, that's what I'm using. But you can also go ahead and use clove. And this is our ginger and our good brown sugar. So let's kick this thing off, and let me just wash these ginger, because you know them full of dirt, full of dirt. So I'm going to just wash them. So what I'm going to do is rinse this off. And I'm only using this just to show you guys how to do it. I love my fresh sorrel. So we're just gonna leave this to drain as soon as we rinse this off, while I deal with the ginger. I'm going to take care of my ginger now by just washing them. If you have a brush, you can go ahead and just brush it, based on it has a lot of dirt on it. I was washing them before. You notice the water, so you have to wash them properly. Alright, you have to wash them thoroughly, so don't forget that. So now that our sorrel, guys, has been washed and drained, what I'm going to do now, I am going to peel my ginger. My ginger is already washed, so I am going to just peel them and then grate them. And this sorrel is quick and easy to make, very easy. Because what I'm going to do, I already set my water on. I'm going to wait until it comes to a boil. You will see what I do, very easy. Now that our ginger is finished peel, I'm going to grate my ginger. So I'm going to just add my sorrel to the pot. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my ingredients as well. I'm going to go ahead and add my grated ginger. Orange peel. Cinnamon stick. If you have the leaf, you can use it as well. Pimento berries. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my boiling water to the pot. I'm going to cover this and allow it to soak leave it for 4 to 6 hours, guys. So I'm going to cover it right now, and I'll come right back to it after that time had ended. So after that 6 hours has passed, guys, I'm going to just strain my sorrel. So as I said, guys, first time I am preparing this dry sorrel here, but I want to show you guys how to prepare your dry sorrel, how easy it is to prepare. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to mix, and the amount of sugar that you use in it, it depending on your liking, your tasting, determine the amount of sugar that you use. Adding some of my brown sugar, and we're just going to mix thoroughly. So as I said, guys, you want to mix thoroughly until all your sugar grain has dissolved. So what we are going to do now, I am going to strain it. I'm going to give it another strain with my cheesecloth, just to ensure that all particles so guys, after we have thoroughly mixed our juice to make sure that all the sugar grain is mixed out, I am going to give it a final strain with my cheesecloth, just to remove any little particles that are there, so that when you are drinking your sorrel juice, you drink it comfortable. All right, nothing going down your throat. So here we go. So I use half gallon of water. I will write this recipe for you. And remember, you sweeten it according to your tasting and your liking. That's how you determine the amount of sugar that you're going to use to sweeten it. Because some people don't use a lot of sugar to sweeten their sorrel. They just use like a 2 spoons depending on the amount. Even if it is enough juice, they are diabetic, so they don't really. And you can drink it, you can put it to cool and drink it without sweetening it. Because I used to give my daddy without sweetening it. He was a diabetic. Alrighty, so this is our lovely sorrel petal, dry sorrel. So I'm going to just pour some in the glass for you to see how lovely it is. I'm adding some ice to the glass. And I'm going to just pour. Why you have to do that? You drink everything. Mighty God of Daniel. Jesus.
Friend, family, subscribers, well wishers, first time viewers, this is my drink. This is also one of the reasons why I love Christmas.